Triumph Tiger 1200 Explorer, elevating adventure with subtle refinement. In the realm of adventure motorcycles, Triumph's Tiger 1200 has long been revered for its blend of innovation and performance. With the 2022 iteration, Triumph introduced a host of cutting-edge features, propelling the Tiger 1200 into the limelight of two-wheeled exploration. Now, for 2024, Triumph returns with a series of enhancements aimed at perfecting the rider experience. Much like a meticulous writer, fine-tuning a draft to achieve literary brilliance, Triumph has meticulously addressed every aspect of the Tiger 1200, no matter how seemingly minor. One notable improvement lies in the engine dynamics, where Triumph engineers have worked to minimize rider disturbances caused by engine forces. With a remarkable reduction in yaw, pitch, and roll, riders can expect a smoother and more refined riding experience, a testament to Triumph's commitment to engineering excellence. While these updates may appear modest on the surface, their cumulative impact cannot be overstated. It is the attention to detail and the relentless pursuit of perfection that sets the Tiger 1200 apart in the fiercely competitive adventure bike segment. In terms of aesthetics, the 2024 Tiger 1200 lineup receives subtle yet striking color updates. The Tiger 1200 GT Explorer now boasts the vibrant carnival red hue, complementing the existing Snowdonia white and sapphire black options. Meanwhile, the Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer welcomes the new matte sandstorm shade alongside the matte khaki and jet black variants, for adventure enthusiasts eagerly awaiting the arrival of these refined machines. Triumph anticipates the bikes to arrive at American dealerships by early May 2024. Pricing for the 2024 Tiger 1200 GT Explorer starts at $23,795, while the Tiger 1200 Rally Explorer begins at $24,895 for riders outside the United States. Triumph encourages inquiries with local dealers for accurate pricing and availability information. With its commitment to excellence and unwavering dedication to rider satisfaction, Triumph continues to redefine the adventure riding experience with the Tiger 1200 Explorer range.